Journey on, brave warrior. We will meet again.
You're making me look bad, fart boy.
You are a minor approaching an area with controlled substances. Step away from the door or you will be terminated.
Too bad, new kid. Minors aren't allowed in a place like that. Of course, you aren't just any minor.
If you buy one of our calendars, I'll be your best friend forever. Yeah, I only selfie with Karate Kid superheroes who tip well.
Nuh-uh, kid. I only follow cyborg superheroes. It's my thing.
I thought I smelled you coming in.
Ew, yeah, you have to buy a selfie pass, sorry. Got some new stuff in, jerk. Okay, don't come back. Aw, you need to buy a pass before I would dream of selfieing with you, sweetie.
Let's do this! Whoa, whoa! Ara! Ah!
Are we having fun yet, cutie? Come find out. I thought you liked beating up girls. Where do you think you're going?
Hope you socked away some pennies because you're never getting in.
Updated the menu, kid. You either innovate or get left. You're all right, kid. See you around. What can I get for the cocky little crime fighter? That ought to get some juices flowing.
Haha, you'll never get there, super fool. Ah!
Somebody call for a fast pass? Righteous. See you, new kid.
Party in the evidence locker after we nabbed that vigilante.
Who are you supposed to go on through?
Sorry, I don't selfie with just anyone.
So then the wop says to the Polak, if I wanted tits, I'd have... Hello there, welcome to the soft room. I'm a friendly detective. What's your name? No problem, just let me know if you need to sit down and talk things out. So exactly why are you wandering around the police station? Do you have information about who's behind the big crime wave in South Park? I understand all this attention must be scary for you. You know what else is scary? Choking on Jared's $5 footlong. I wrote that myself. I actually do stand-up on the weekends. Here's my headshot. You know, with this crime wave, I'm looking for work. Where's that smile? Go ahead, get my headshot out there and I'll give you a treat. Whoa, what do we have here? You're the one who made the news last night, huh? This week's been hell on my peptic ulcer.
New items on menu, very special. Okay, now you read restaurant.
I can't believe I agreed to this.
Anything for a deputy in training. I'm really learning how to connect with you youngsters.
I like to get the city shrimp, but animal style.
Take order, please. Shitty Walk, appreciate your business. Too busy making shitty chicken now. You come back another time. Take order, please. What shitty item you want today? Please enjoy, please. So wrong. Too busy making shitty chicken now. You come back another time.
Hey, new kid, it's me, Fast Pass. Classy says she still ain't talking till you get her prescription.
I got boob pics, Fourthy. Check them out. Oh, the little Fourthy of Wade. Wow.
Dinner is served. You guys are dinner. Show them what you're made of, butthole. Show them who's back. Take your medicine, Fourthies.
If nothing else, beating on you guys is really therapeutic for me. I can't do nothing right now.
Instantly shot. Yeah. For every enemy you smash, there's like 10 of them hiding in the walls, believe me. No turd for you, shithead. Knock their lights out. Lights, teeth, whatever. Yeah, I saw that coming. I'm counting on you, partner. Smash them, butthole! Mosquito, out for blood. That's some nasty shit, dude.
For Fourthy scum, you guys are kind of scrappy. I'm taking a break to strategize.
Don't just take that lying down, butt boy. Here we go. Feel the power of diabetes. Knock the breath out of him. I know because, like any mosquito, I can detect carbon dioxide. Dude, dial it back.
Okay, who's the next target of my unbridled rage?
Ha! My turn. Mega Palm Punch.
Your punches